Hello and welcome back to the journey. I just noticed, or actually I noticed the last few days, the camera perspective of me just laying in bed, because right now I am recording these videos very late. I need to work on that, but obviously I can't do it right now because it's already too late for this one. And for the next one, which would be day 84, I think, because I still have 13 videos to catch up the gap that I skipped some vids, so I obviously have to work on that, but I'll get into that tomorrow, I think. For today, it will just be a quick trade recap, and I hope I'll find a better angle that I don't care, that presents me better, I guess. So today there was a no news Monday, and tomorrow there will only be, damn, I do not care. There will be Powell testifying, but that will only be at 4 p.m. and won't really affect my trading abilities. Now today, USD JPY just had a terrible trading session for me, because obviously the whole time, or basically the whole time London session had opened, was between or is between 9 and 12 a.m. for me, and as you can see, the two candles just basically canceled each other out. We were looking for a bearish trade because we were in a downtrend on the 4 hour. Then on the 1 hour, price started gaining bullish momentum at around market open with that candle, but before that we were still bearish on the 1 hour time frame as well. And then we just for 2 hours we kind of swept that liquidity, and then we started breaking back down, but that really only happened after London session. So liquidity was swept, but then break of structure, we go down to the 15-minute, and then before 12 a.m. or before, no, noon is midnight, I think, but before 12 a.m. there just wasn't any price movement for me to take advantage of, so no possible trade, at least for my strategy, on USD JPY. On GBP JPY, however, price looked a lot better. So if we can see this gap here, hold on, let me paint this massive gap here. I wanted to see, or that basically filled this other candle here, this fair value gap, kind of got filled by this market opening gap, where price adjusted itself over the weekend to fill this fair value gap here. As you can see here, the difference, and that just covers it. And then also the first opening candle of this week's trading week just completely filled that. Then on the 4 hour, this candle's low was swept. When we go down to and we were obviously still bullish. When we go down to the 1 hour, we can see that price was also was bearish on the 1 hour time frame, with this low getting taken out. But then price strongly started pushing back to the upside. then that lets us scale down to the 15-minute again, where we find no setup. Simply nothing to take advantage of. You can say, yeah, this one, but that wasn't really a great setup, or nothing I would have taken. And this was also way too close for me, since my trading session ends at 12 a.m. Taking a trade like this isn't really something I would like. And if I would have taken it, I would have started here with my risk being below this low. And as you can see in hindsight, not even a 1-to-1 would have been possible. But yeah, that's basically it. If I would have went down to the 5-minute, there would have been even less setups. So basically the only thing to take a trade of are imbalances or fair value gaps for me after a liquidity sweep has happened and no order block gets tapped into. So we form this bullish fair value gap right at 9 a.m. And price taps into it and then continues way higher, but price didn't tap into it enough for me. If there would have been a full candle close inside of the fair value gap and then the next one pushing out, I would have taken that trade and then probably would have gotten an insane exit or entry and exit. I would have probably gotten a 1 to 2.5 at least. Yeah, almost a 1 to 3 I could have gotten here, but that never happened. So no trading possibility on GJ either. So pretty boring day. No trades taken, but then again, better I take no trades than me taking a lot of trades or one trade on a not so great setup and then losing it, which happened to me on Friday, yeah. But tomorrow will be a better day, hopefully. The video after this one won't be another trade recap though, because I obviously need to catch up on the gap that I made, so I'll make another day of the journey that isn't really time correct, I guess you can say, but see you tomorrow.